as a Scrum Master, what should you do on your career path in order to execute larger projects? That's a question a lot of you are asking, that I want to grow within my career. I'm looking to excel on larger scale projects so that I can get a pay rise or a performance increase, something along those lines. And so the question is, what are your next steps? So as a Scrum Master, what do you do next in order to progress? Now, you could do Advanced Scrum Master. You could do PMP, which is Project Management Professional Training, or you could also do something along the lines of Agile Product Management. Any of these things are suitable for you to do. But there is also the transformation line that you can look at as well. Something along of a change consultant or a transformation consultant. Because believe it or not, a lot of the skills that you're learning as a Scrum Master come into play here as well. So if you're looking to become one of these things, then the course you need to be looking at is something called Leading Safe. And Leading Safe is a phenomenal course which actually takes you on a journey of what it is to take a company through a transformation, but also at the same time, what it takes to deliver large projects. Might not even be large projects, it might also be large programs. And this has its own vocabulary and it has its own world of working. And the world of working is, it works in a framework. And this framework is comprised of one major thing, which is called the PI. And PI stands for Program Increment. And this program increment is an execution cycle. And this execution cycle roughly lasts around about 10 weeks. That's the key thing here. And within this 10 weeks, we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, sprint 4, and sprint 5. 5 sprints that are happening here. And within these 5 sprints, what we're needing to do here is that we're trying to deliver one outcome. And that outcome is considered a PI objective. A PI objective, which maybe 5 to 15 Scrum teams are committed to delivering. And they have to work within these sprints over the next 10 weeks in order to deliver that objective. And there could be 5 to 12, 5 to 15 teams doing this. So this thing is called an agile release train, which comprises of 5 to 15 teams. That's the beauty of this, that this structure is what it requires a Scrum Master in an agile way to deliver projects. Now, some of you will say that's, there's a lot of comments in the industry that it's a very, it's a very planning heavy way of delivering projects. I say it's totally the opposite. The fact that we have sprints built into the overall increment, this 8 to 10 weeks, 8 to 12 weeks program increment execution cycle, it's powered by Scrum. So where is the planning heavy? The planning heavy bit is only at the beginning, which is called PI planning, which by the way only lasts 2 days. It only lasts 2 days, believe it or not. And then towards the end, we have something called an INA, which is called an Inspect and Adapt workshop. And in this Inspect and Adapt workshop, it's 3 parts. We do a system demo to the stakeholders, we do some checks and measurements, how well we're progressing, and we also do a problem-solving workshop to see what are the problems that we need to solve collectively as an agile release train. So all this stuff is good. This helps you progress as a Scrum Master who wants to deliver large-scale projects. Now, if you're looking to say, if that sounds interesting, okay, I like the sound of that. So I might be a team lead, you might be a coordinator, you might be a manager, You might be a Scrum Master, any one of these roles, or you're just looking to get a step up within your career. Or you might be someone that's leaving university, it can be anything. Think about taking Leading Safe. Leading Safe will give you the transformation skills that you need to lead a company through an agile transformation. So you get the transformation skills, you're also getting how to deliver projects. Large projects that involves multiple teams. But also it's giving you a structure / framework, or you could say the sequence of steps that you need to do in order to deliver a project. This makes things so much easier for you, but you need to start from somewhere. And the Leading Safe is the course to do that in. So if you're looking to transform your skills and really take your skills to the next level as a Scrum Master or as any one of these individuals, think about taking a Leading Safe course. Thanks for watching.